Hi, Tony Bernard here, Amazon #1 international best-selling author of the book Marketing Blueprint for Contractors. I'm also creator of HVAC Business Breakthroughs. Thank you very much for coming to this site, and for coming here, I want to give you a gift. This gift is going to set you apart from anyone else. It's free training on the 10 critical elements to help you on your way to getting 20% net profits. Let me repeat that, 20% net profits. Now, of these 10 elements, there's 4 that are absolutely critical in making this happen. And I outline all of those here on this website. And I also give you some free notes to help you even more. So click below or look below, you'll see a link to get on your way to getting 20% net profits or more in your business. Thank you very much for your valuable time. You take care and have a